Hi everyone, my name is Sebastian. I'm 30 years old and as you can see I'm living in Shanghai. I'm learning Domino Chinese since about 3 weeks. Yeah, my own fault, forgot to learn vocabulary, but after this 4 weeks I actually can say some small stuff to my mother-in-law. Why did I choose Domino Chinese? Honestly, just try it. It's quite different to everything I tried before. I tried, for example, Hello Chinese. It's an app in the App Store. But the approach from Felix is, in my opinion, much better. So learning the foundation, the small blocks. So every time you see a new sign, you might not know the meaning directly, but you might recognize some building blocks. And especially those videos with him and An, also quite funny. So you always remember it. So again, just what I learned right now. From my introduction, wo xiao Sebastian, wo san che sui, wo de, this was wrong, I want to say I'm from Germany, wo she de gojen, that's right. So I just recommend to you try it, it's really good, especially when my wife is looking very curious what I just said and she's surprised that I already know it. So have fun, try it, join our group in WeChat. See you.